Hi, and thank you for joining us for this week's Crafternoon here at the Coronado Public Library. This week we'll be making wine cork hearts. If you weren't able to pick up a kit, all you'll need is some wine corks, some red paint, twine, glue, and a ribbon. Let's get started. In your kit, you should have a bunch of wine corks, a heart-shaped outline, a piece of red ribbon, and some red paint. To do this craft, you're also going to want a glue gun and a paintbrush. For now, go ahead and move your wine corks to the side and center your outline of a heart right in the middle. Now, go ahead and, using your wine corks, follow that outline to create an outline of a heart. You can also do one of two things. You can leave your heart as is, or you can plan to fill it. 1, 2, 3. Fill up the top two corners here. So that's kind of up to you. What you'll do is you're going to go ahead and start gluing this into place. Once your heart is nice and dry, you have two options. You can either use your red paint to paint the tops, or you can just go to the last step. I'm going to demonstrate what it looks like when it's nicely painted. So once your paint is nice and dry, you're going to go ahead and take your twine and tie a loop around your heart. Now if you loop around your middle one, that's the one right here, that is going to keep it nice and straight. So I would loop around the top and then loop around the other side of it, and then go ahead and tie it together to create a nice loop at the top. Once you have your loop nice and ready to go ahead and take your ribbon and create a nice bow on top. Now you can go ahead and glue your bow right on the top middle. And you are all set. Thank you much for joining us for this week's Crafternoon. Have a wonderful day.